In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and add logo on Zoho CRM quote template. We'll start on the Zoho CRM home screen and move step by step through the template editor so your logo appears clean, consistent, and on brand. First, open Zoho CRM and look for the setup gear icon, usually in the upper right corner. Click it to open your settings. In the settings page, find the customization section and select templates. This is where Zoho groups all template types, including emails, quotes, invoices, and more. For demonstration, I'll open an existing template from the list. You might see an email template such as a welcome email in your account. The editing process you're about to see is the same for quote templates. With the template open, click Edit to launch the visual editor. In the editor, select the image option. This tells Zoho you want to add or replace an image block. Choose a simple image layout, like the single image option, to place your logo cleanly at the top or wherever you need it on the page. You'll notice a plus icon inside the image block. Click that to add your logo. Zoho gives you several sources. You can pick something already in your file manager, paste an image URL if your logo is hosted online, or upload a new file from your computer. I'll choose Upload from Computer. Select your logo file and confirm the upload. A quick tip while you're here. A transparent PNG is often best for logos, and a width around 300 to 600 pixels usually looks crisp without bloating the file size. If you see options for alignment or size, center align the logo and keep proportions locked to avoid stretching. Also, check that the preview looks sharp and not pixelated. If it does, swap in a higher resolution file. Once your logo is uploaded and positioned, click Next to continue. Back in the editor, give everything a final glance to make sure spacing and alignment look right across the header and body. When you're satisfied, click Save. You'll be prompted to add a comment about your change. Type something clear and concise like "New logo," so your team can track what was updated and why. This helps with version control and future audits. Finally, click Done to confirm and exit the editor. If you're working on a quote template, you can now generate a test quote to preview how the logo appears in PDFs or emails sent to clients. That's it. Your logo is now part of your Zoho CRM template and ready for use. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.